next model, which is the connecting rod. So here we are going to consider the first one, which is the connecting rod. Here the part 1, here we can see a top view and the front view and the side view. So this is the first angle projection. So wherein you have a round small end and the bigger end. And now first we need to create this. To create this, we have to start from the top view. So in the top view, first we are going to create this portion, that is diameter 24, diameter 26, and this distance is 25. So we need to create this small end. First we will go to the solid edge. So you just click on this and keep it hide. Now we need to go to tools, click on order, then click on the base reference planes, enable. So then go to home, click on sketch, click on coincident plane as the top plane, and now we will going to create this. So first we need to take the center line. To take this, so I go to project to edge, sketch, you click on this line and this line. Then we take 25 mm, so offset, take 12.5 on either side. Then here we have 24 and 26, so offset 12, and then offset 13. So you take this, then go to zoom window, then go to line, take this intersection point to this intersection point and to this intersection point. Then go to select this line and delete this, select this line and delete this, select this line and delete this. Then go to trim corner between these two, between these two, between these two, between these two. Now go to close sketch, then click on home, take revolve protrusion, select from sketch, accept it, right click, then click on the center line and revolve it through 360 degrees and then say finish. Now to this, now we are going to take the rib portion which is here, which we are going to take it from this point. So we'll be taking from somewhere inside. So we're going to take it around 8 mm. So go to home, click on sketch, click on parallel plane, click on this right plane and offset it by 8 mm and click on this side. You can click on this side and then go to zoom area, then go to project to sketch, click on OK, click on this center line and this center line. Now we are going to create this cross section here. So here the height is given to be 20. So go to offset, take the distance as 10 mm on either side. Then click on this width, which is 12 mm. So go to offset, take the distance as 6. So from this side it is 6, from this side it is 6. Then from here, from the bottom it is 1.3 and then 3 and then 1.3. So offset 1.3 from here, then 3, that is again 3 from the bottom. So from here you take this, again offset 1.3 mm. So from here it is 1.3, then go to line, take from this intersection point to this intersection point and to this intersection point. Then delete this line and then delete this line. Similarly, you take the center of this offset 2.5. You take offset take 2.5 from here on this side and also from this side. Then go to line, take from intersection point of this to intersection point of this. Similarly, intersection point of this to intersection point of this. Then go to delete this line and delete this line. Then go to trim corner between this and this, between this and this, between this and this. Similarly, between these two, these two. Then go to mirror this with reference to this line. Then go to trim corner between this and this, between this and this. Then go to delete this and delete this and delete this. Then go to close sketch. Then go to again. Then you just take from here to here. So that rib which is 150 minus 52, which becomes 98. So we're going to take a parallel plane at 98 mm from this plane. So we're going to construct to a height of 24 with the same cross section. So to do that, so go to home, click on sketch, click on parallel plane, click on this and take the distance as 98 and click on this. Now again you construct the same cross section. So go to projector sketch, okay, click on these two, then go to zoom area, then go to offset, take the distance as 24 mm now on this side. Then go to projector sketch, okay, click on this and click on this and click on this too. Then go to extend this line till here, and then here take offset, take 1.3, take 1.3 from here, then again 3 from here, and again 1.3 from here. Then go to extend this line till here, extend this line till here. So go to line, take intersection of this to intersection of this to intersection of this. Similarly, intersection of this to end of this, and then end of this to and then zoom area you take still inside. So go to line, take end point of this to intersection of this, then delete this line and this line and this line, and go to trim corner between this and this, between this and this, like this. Okay, now you delete this line and then go to picture, then go to mirror this with reference to this, then delete this line and delete this line, and then go to trim corner between this and this, between this and this, then delete this line. Now we have the cross section at both the ends, and close sketch, then zoom area, bring it nearer, then go to home, click on lofted protrusion, click on this with reference to this, then go to preview and then to go to finish. So that is this cross section we need to create. So to create this, which is at a distance of 150 from here, and then create this cross section, and then there is a gap of 1.5, so we are going to create that. So to do that, so first we'll go to home, sketch, click on this plane. Now we will say include project to sketch, click on this and click on this. Then go to 150 mm and go to offset, take the distance as 150 mm. So from here you take 150 mm and then go to extend to next, create this and fit it. Then here you have the overall length of this, which will going to be 60 plus 10, radius 10 and 10. So 60, that is 30 plus 10, 40 mm. So go to offset, take the distance as 40, from here 40 and also from here 40. Then again from here you have 12, so go to offset, take the distance as 12, then come down to this point, then go to trim corner between these two and between these two. Then we have, so we have come to this, then from here you take 52, so offset, take the distance as 52, from here you take the distance as 52 and then draw a line from end point of this, you draw a line. So through that point, here you take a radius of 32, so go to offset, take the distance as 32 and from here you create a line, then take this and go to circle, take the end point of this and draw a radius of 32 here. Similarly, take a line and click line end point of this to tangent to this. Then you delete this line and then go to trim this, then trim corner between this and this, between this and this. Now you delete this line and also you delete this line and then go to mirror. By holding the shift key you create this with reference to this. Then go to trim corner between these two, between these two, between these two, between these two. Now we have the cross section. Then go to delete this line and delete this line. So now this cross section is there for 20 mm with symmetric extent. Go to close sketch and then click on home, go to extrude, take select from sketch, this sketch, accept, sorry. So here we have a problem that you go to edit profile, it has not been properly joined. So go to trim corner between these two, between these two, trim corner between these two. So here might be having any two lines. Then go to close sketch, click on home, click on extrude, click on this, accept. So go to symmetric extent, take the distance as 20 mm. So now we got the protrusion. Now we need to create this rib, which is of this cross section, which will be taken to a distance of 33 mm. So to do that, so go to home, click on sketch, click on this plane again, then fit it, then go to project to sketch, click on OK, click on this and click on this, then go to extend to next. So from here he says it is 1.5 mm offset. So you take offset, take the distance as 1.5 and from here you take this line and then go to zoom area, then come down to extend to next, then to this you draw a circle of diameter 48, go to circle, take the end point of this, take the diameter of 48 mm, then go to again take radius 29 and create one more circle here. you have a 3 mm rib. So you take offset, take the distance as 3 mm. From here you take this line and then fit. Then go to include or project to sketch. Okay, select this line and this line. So then go to zoom window, you take these two, then go to trim corner between these two, similarly between these two. Then go to delete this line here, then go to trim this, then delete this center line, then go to trim here like this. Similarly here you delete this. So this is the cross section what you get. Then go to close sketch, then click on home, click on extrude, select this, accept, take the symmetric extents as 33, enter, then go to finish. So this is how you will be able to create this. Now we have the hole option. So we are going to create a hole now of here, this hole of diameter 48. So we're going to create that. So to do that, go to home, click on hole, click on coincident plane on this plane, then go to this and take the hole diameter as 48, accept, take, now fit this, you take the center of this and then go to close sketch, okay, and then finish it. So now you have the hole option. So next is we want to select this portion, which is we need to create this now. So this portion we're going to remove the entire thing now. So to do that, so go to rotate and rotate this, go to home, click on sketch, click on this plane. So then come down to fit, then go to in project to sketch, okay, click on this and click on this. Then you come down to this. So here you have 60, go to offset, take down the distance as 30 mm. From here it is 30 and also from here it is 30. Then go to circle, take the intersection part of this and take the radius and diameter is 20. Then similarly here also you take this, then go to include or project to sketch, okay, click on this line and also on this line, and similarly you just come down to this. Here you have to take to till to this line. So go to extend, to next you extend this line and you extend this line, then go to zoom area, then go to line, take end point of this and drag a tangent. Similarly end point of this and draw a tangent. Then go to trim this and trim this, then delete this line, okay, and similarly you delete this line, and then you fit it and take line and take some line extra here and go to trim corner between this and this, between this and this, between this two, between these two. Now similarly, and then join by joining between the trim corners of these points. So once you do that, now we will going to delete this and also delete all these things. Now we will try to mirror this. Go to mirror, select this entire thing, mirror with reference to this line. So you go to mirror this entire thing with reference to this line. Now go to close sketch, click on home, click on cut, click on this and click on this, and then remove it on this side. Now we have got this portion which has been removed in this fashion. Now to this we have to have M12, M10 tab of 15 mm deep. So to do that, so go to home, click on hole, click on this, and also now we will go for a fit option. So go to this whole circle option. So go to tab. So take M10 tab. Then here M10 deep 15. So click on this. So take M10 deep 15 mm deep, and this is hole depth is 18 mm, and then you have V bottom angle. You give V bottom angle and then say OK. Take it on the center of this and also from the center of this. Then go to close sketch, and this is finished. So now we will be having this portion which has been taken care of. Now to this we need to create this hole. So to do that, so I will go for a sketch, click on this plane, that is the center plane, and fit it. So go to line, take center of this and draw a line at the rate of 100 less than 30 degree. So that is the line which is, this is the angle through which it has been measured. So for that we need to have a diameter of 3 mm hole. So here you just take project to sketch. Okay, you click on this, then go to zoom area, then go to offset, take the distance as 1.5 mm 3. So you take 1.5 on this side, then go to line, take a line from end point of this to end point of this, then go to move, enable copy, you select this line, take this end point, bring it here, take it down to this intersection point. Now here you take offset, take arbitrary distance of 1 mm from here down, then go to line command, draw a line from here, that is the end point, you draw a horizontal line. So now we got this. To this we need to create, now you go to trim corner between this line and this line. So from here, so we have this, then zoom area, bring it nearer, then you delete this, then go to trim corner between this and this. Now it is better, we will have move, you take this and take this end point to this end point, then go to trim corner between this and this. Now trim corner between these two, then delete this line and delete this line. Now to this we will take line, we will draw this and go to trim corner, but of course this can be anything which is away, which will going to be holds good. So now to this we will delete this. Now we will going to fit this. Now we will going to go for mirror this entire thing with reference to this. Now to do this, now we'll go for a close sketch, and then zoom area, you bring it and go to home, click on revolved cut, select on this, accept, revolve it through 360 degree. So you're going to get a hole here, finish it. Again go to home, click on revolve cut, click on this, accept, click on this line and revolve it through 360 degree. So you're going to get it on this line also. Then go to finish. Now we're going to have a fit. When you rotate, you can see that there is a hole inside here and also on this side. So we need to create, so this portion is over. So all these things which we have done, So we need to create a hole in this of two holes of diameter 2.5. So to do that, now here to do that, first we'll go for a hole. Go to home, click on hole, click on this plane, and then go to include project to sketch, click on OK. You select this and you select this, and go to extend to next. You extend this line till here, then go to zoom area, bring it, then you go to hole option, click on this, come down to this hole of diameter is 2.5 mm hole. So click on through next, OK, then go to offset. So what is the offset distance? The distance is given to be 30 mm. So here take offset, the distance is 30. So from here you take 30 mm, and similarly from here you take 30 mm, and then from here he has given a distance of 11. So take 11 mm offset. From here you take 11 mm and come down to this and click it on this intersection, and you click it on this intersection and go to close sketch. So it will going to have a hole of that 2.5 mm. Now the next case is, now we need to create a hole here, that is on this portion. So we have worked everything on the bigger end. Now we have to work it on the smaller end, wherein we have a diameter 18. So go to home, click on hole, click on coincident plane as this plane, and then come down to this, take the diameter as 18 mm. So go to this and make it 18 and click on OK, and take the center of this and then go to close sketch and then finish. So this is how you can create a hole. The next portion is we have a small hole or oil hole of diameter 3. So to do that, so what is the offset? So here, which is at a distance of 13 mm. So go to home, click on hole, click on parallel plane, click on this, take the distance as 13 mm and click it on this. Now we come down to this, go to countersunk, take the diameter as 3 and this diameter as 6, and this countersink as angle is 90 always. You click on this and take this intersection point. Take this intersection point, you take zoom area and take this, click on this, take this intersection point or end point. Then go to close sketch. So click on finish. Take it inside, you take it finish. Go to application button, click on information, go to material table. The material table, click on duralumin, apply to model. Again go to file, application button, information, go to material table, go to file, application button, information, go to file properties, go to summary, type connecting rod, then say OK. Now we will going to create this folder by name connecting rod. So to this we need to save. Go to save, click on desktop, come down to connecting rod and type connecting rod. So this is how you will be able to create this connecting rod model.